carrots. Feeding your rabbit more than carrots. Tuko pamoja? These rabbits, as I said earlier, they need food, but not just food. Don't just keep your rabbits with one type of meal alone. With one type of meal alone. They also need different types of food, different types of meals. Why do they need that? Because these foods, different types of foods, they give them different types of nutrients required for their health. Now, which type of food should we give them? Number one, the staple of rabbits diet should be hay, which should be available at your pet supply store. Do you know hay? Do you know hay? How many of you have ever heard about the name hay? Very good. I have Ashnet. Any other person? Robert, have you ever heard about hay? Have you ever heard about hay? Hay is a food that is a type of food which is cut while still green and then preserved for future use. It is cut and then preserved for future use. And this food, it is usually bought. In some cases, it is usually, if you can't prepare yours, you can buy one, or we can buy one for our rabbits to feed on. Yeah. Another thing is that this hay should make up about 75% of its diet. Now, pellet food should also be a part of the rabbit's diet. Pellets, we talk of these are other types of foods that we can buy for our rabbits instead of just looking for sukuma wiki, instead of looking just for carrots, because we know rabbits, they love carrots, isn't it? So don't just give them carrots alone daily. We have other foods which are in the shops, which we can buy, like this one here is an example of a hay, which you can buy for your rabbit to feed on. Because when we feed them well, they will also give us good results. They will also reproduce, isn't it? Yeah, they will also give us more benefits and more benefits, apart from the usual one. Yeah, they will grow fat, they will grow healthy, and when you are healthy, your survival is good enough for you, isn't it? When you are healthy is good, so diseases can't attack you anyhow, isn't it? So let us keep our rabbits safe. Another thing, each day add in some leafy greens and a handful of rabbit pellets which offer important nutrients. For example, I said, if we buy maybe sukuma wiki leaves or other green leaves or this hay, before we give them this hay, we make sure that we add some spoonful pellets to this hay before we give the rabbits to feed on. Are we there, class? Are we there, all of us? Now add various vegetables, including carrots and some fruits to the mix. Give me examples of different vegetables that we can add to this rabbit's meal. Who can give me examples of different types of vegetables that we can add to this rabbit's meal? Yes, Abdi? We have sukuma wiki as one of them, isn't it? Sukuma wiki is a vegetable which we can add to the meal of this rabbit, isn't it? And what is the function of the vegetables in our bodies? They strengthen our immune system, isn't it? And they say the same way human beings we need a balanced diet, also the rabbit they need balanced diet. So the same way we need our body's immune system of our body to become strong, the same way these rabbits, we have to feed them a balanced diet to keep their immune system strong, isn't it? To protect them against different types of diseases. Tuko pamoja Lucy? Ukiwa na kusungura nyumbani, kape chakula mzuri ili the different types of diseases attacking the rabbits, they won't attack our rabbits. Are we there, class? So we said we give them vegetables and fruits. Give me examples of fruits that we can give to our rabbits. Which type of fruits can we give to our rabbits? Can you give our rabbits mangoes? No. The best type of fruit to give to our rabbits are tomatoes. Tomatoes is a good example of fruits that we can give to our rabbits. Yeah, are we there, class? Yes. The best type of fruit to give to our rabbits are what? Tomatoes. They are what, class? Tomatoes. Loudly, they are what? Tomatoes. Tomatoes. That is number two. Rule number two on which way we can take care of our rabbits. Number 3, keeping its home clean. Everybody say, keeping its home clean.
Keeping its home clean.
I want to hear everybody say, keeping its home clean.
Keeping its home clean.
Very good. So taking care of this rabbit at one point, we have to keep its home clean. When you look here, this person, what is this person doing? Who can tell me what is this person doing there? Cynthia, what is this person doing? Cynthia, what is this person doing? This person is sieving. Is this one sieving really? It is cleaning, isn't it? This person is cleaning the environment near the rabbits, isn't it? Yeah, so we are saying that we have to keep the environment of our rabbits clean. Environment of our rabbits clean. A rabbit will typically establish 1 or 2 litter areas in its enclosure. 1 or 2 litter areas in its enclosure. What does that mean? It means if this one is a house of my rabbit, if this one is a house of my rabbit, this is a house of my rabbit, isn't it? If my rabbit is feeding at this point, it is feeding at this point. If my rabbits will establish 1 point to put their litter, for example, if it is a feces or urine, they will come at the other corner where they will be urinating. Tuko pamoja? Just like human beings, we have toilets and latrines, isn't it? Yeah, and at one point we have urinal pits, isn't it? So these rabbits, they behave like a human being, whereby they will locate a specific place where they will be going to do what? To urinate. They cannot urinate on their food. They cannot produce waste on their food. Instead, they will locate a specific place within their hutch, within their house, where they will be doing what? They will be going there to dispose of their waste products from their bodies. From their what? From their bodies. Are we there, class? Are we there? So you can see how these pets, they are very useful to us, and they just behave like a normal human being, isn't it? Tuko pamoja? Tuko pamoja? Now another thing, do some general cleanup daily, removing soil, straw, etc., and perform more thorough cleaning at least every 1 to 2 months, removing and replacing bedding materials and the like. Tuko pamoja? Now here, as you look at home, we have beddings. You have a bed and you have a mattress, isn't it? Do you have a bed and a mattress?
Yes.
Very good. The same thing applies to our rabbits. Tuko pamoja? Our rabbits, we have to provide them with the beddings, isn't it? Maybe it is a cotton wool or something like that where they will be sleeping to get warm, isn't it? We said earlier that these rabbits, they need area which is warm, but not temperatures will be at least warm, not too high or too low, isn't it? So at least 1 or 2, between 1 and 2 months, we have to be changing those beddings and replacing them with another one. Tuko pamoja? The same way you replace your mattress after 1 to 2 years. It's the same way the beddings of these rabbits, we have to also to do what? To change them. Do what? To change them. Tuko pamoja? And after this, we'll go down there where we have kept our rabbits and see, are we doing these things? Do our rabbits have beddings? Do they have food? And do we check those beddings? Do they urinate at one place? Tuko pamoja? Tutaenda tuone kama hizi vitu zinafanyika ama hazifanyiki. Tuko pamoja? And initially, please, inside this house, this one is a plywood. Are you seeing this timber? This one is a plywood, which is inside there. It's like a shelf where these rabbits lie, isn't it? You have to keep this place warm and dry. You have to keep it warm and dry. It should not have water. Tunaona vizuri. Tunaweka vizuri zikikojelea. At one point, we can remove them and dry them on the sun. Dry them on the sun to make sure that our rabbits stays in a safe place and in a clean environment, isn't it? Yes. Tuko pamoja, class?
Yes.
Very good. Number three, we are still on number 3. Soil and or lamp bedding will encourage flies, which can bring on maggots that can infest your rabbits and cause fly strike, a potentially fatal illness. Tuko pamoja? We are saying when you keep the houses or the environment of these rabbits wet, tuko pamoja, what will happen to them? Fabian, when you sleep in water, when you urinate on your beddings, and you don't dry them on the sun during the daytime, at night again you sleep where you urinated during the previous night, what will happen to you? You will get rashes, isn't it? Yeah, utaanza kujikuna, si kweli? You will get skin diseases. Is it true, Cynthia? Si kweli? you urinate on your beddings and you don't dry them. You don't do what? You don't dry them, Swahili. What will happen? Diseases will automatically occur, isn't it? So we are saying to keep away diseases from these rabbits, we have to keep the environment what? The environment clean. Are we there, class? We have to keep the environment what?
Clean.
Everybody, we have to keep the environment
Clean.
again.
Clean.
Very good. Because this one will enable our rabbits to live in an uncomfortable area where there is no what? There is no. Do you know maggots? Do you know maggots?
Yes.
How many of us knows maggots? Hands up. How many of us knows maggots? Very good. Have you ever seen maggots? When you go in the toilet, you will see maggots, is it? Zile dudu zinatoka kwa mabubu kama kitu imeanza kuoza. Hata maembe ikaanza kuoza, kuna madudu, si ndio? So, those madudu are the one which are saying they are called maggots. They are called maggots. Tuko pamoja? So, you can imagine keeping our, you can have a seat here, you can have a seat here, you can have a seat there, Mswahili, you can move. You can have a seat here, another one sit there. Very good. You can sit here, mwingine anakaa hapa, mwingine akae hapo. So I'm saying zile madudu ambazo zinapatikana kwa choo. Those we have when in the toilets we have maggots. A banana or a mango, some of the bananas, some of the fruits, when they stay for a very long period of time, the maggots appears in them, isn't it? So the same way, when we keep the environment of this rabbit dirty for a very long period of time and cold, maggots will appear to them. And even fleas, even what? Fleas, and they will affect the health of this rabbit. They will interfere with the smooth skin of the rabbit, and generally the rabbit will become ill. They will become ill. Katakuwa mgonjwa. Tunaona vizuri. So we should also look at this when we are keeping our rabbits. We are keeping our rabbits. Number 4. Don't leave your rabbit lonely. Don't leave your rabbit lonely. Are we there? Yes. Don't leave your rabbit lonely, Cynthia. I'm talking of our rabbit. The same way we have friends. The same way you have. Do you have a friend? Do you have a friend, Ashlet? Do you have Ashlet? Do you have a friend? Do you have a friend? Do you have a friend? So the same way you have a friend, so also these rabbits, they need friendship. They need, at least there should be 2 or 3 or more than that, but not just one rabbit. What will happen in case where a rabbit is just one in a hutch? The same way, when you are left at home, one alone, how will you feel? You will be bored. Is it true? You will be unhappy. You won't enjoy your day, isn't it? You will be dull. At one point, you won't be able to perform other activities around you. Is it true? So the same thing applies to this rabbit. To this rabbit. Unaona hapa Kazimura. So these are rabbits. How many are they? 2. They are 2, isn't it? So at least you keep them accompanied. You keep them what? Accompanied. The same thing we undergo frustrations. When these rabbits are left alone, they also undergo the same situation. They also have stress like human beings, by the way. We said rabbits, they behave like a human being. Tuko pamoja? Yeah, so the same way you have stress when you are left at home alone, Shaheen, rabbit, when you have a rabbit at home, at least tell your mom to buy 2 of them. Tuko pamoja? 2 or more, but not just one alone. Tuko pamoja, class? Why? To avoid them being lonely. What will happen to them when they are lonely? With rabbits are sociable creatures, and the quality has not been bred out of the domesticated classes. They like associating with other animals, especially with their fellow rabbits. During that time when you take them out to play, when there are many, you will see them jumping up and down to each other, playing with one another. Even if you are not there, provided to put them in a special place and there are 2 or more, you will see them playing with one another. To come the class. Are we there, all of us? So check on your rabbit at least once or twice a day and spend some time with it. With it. I said earlier, in case where this rabbit is alone, you can afford another one. What do? At least 1 or 2 days, at least one or between 1 and 2 days, at least you take your rabbit out to play, isn't it? Unakatoa kasura kako wapi? Nje ya uwanja Syria. Regan na wapi? Regan is where? So Regan, in case you have these rabbits, you do what? At one point, you take them out when you are free, Mwangi, and you play with them. You do what? You play with them. They run, they hide, you look for them, you bring them there, again they hide, you bring them back, again they hide, you bring them back. That is a game that you can play with what? With the rabbits. Tuko pamoja? Yeah, isika ito pale kiboeka. The same way you go out to play with Karuru, you go out to play with the other James Mwangi, you go out to play with the Kamau and other friends. These rabbits also, they need friendship and they need love. They need friendship and they need love. We have to keep them joyful. Kwa pamoja. Zinataka nini? They need to be kept joyful, to be kept happy the way human beings are kept. Kwa pamoja. Now, many rabbits prefer a companion, so think about adding another compatible bunny. Kwa pamoja. Many rabbits, they do what? They love companionship, meaning in any way they are 2 or 3, they feel more safe, they feel more secure, and they feel more comfortable. Pascal. So if we decide to buy a rabbit, if I buy one now, think of a way in which we will add another rabbit, in which we will add another, at least to give them companion. The same way at home we live as a company, isn't it? Your brothers, your sisters, your father, your mother, that is a companion. That is what? A companion. So these rabbits, they also need a companion. They also need a companion. Tuko pamoja class? Tuko pamoja kufikia hapo? Yes. Very good. Now, a little similar size and age. Don't just take a big rabbit, an old rabbit, Michelle and Lily. Don't take an old rabbit and put together with a young rabbit. Tuko pamoja? Yes. Put a pair. If they are small, let them be all small. Tuko pamoja? Let your rabbits be of the same age. Tuko pamoja, Abdi? Let our rabbits be of the same age. Everyone say of the same age. Very good. Of the same size. Very good. For example, you look here. These rabbits, they look like they are twins. Is it true? Yes. They look like they are twins, isn't it? Yeah, because they are of the same age and of the same size. This one, they feel more comfortable. They are taking a very small rabbit, a very young rabbit with an old rabbit. Tuko pamoja? Kufikia hapo? Yes. We keep these things of the same age and of the same size. Not an old rabbit. If they are old, let all of them be old. Tuko pamoja? If they are young and small, let all of them be young and small. Tuko pamoja? Now, point number 5, the last point is give a rabbit daily exercise and play time. Give a rabbit daily exercise and play time. As we say, this is the daily exercise. As human beings, we are told to run at least to keep our bodies fit, isn't it? So rabbits also, they need exercise. They need what? Exercise. They need exercise. This is exercise. A rabbit which is exercising since you look at this rabbit, because tomorrow Regan will have one, and when Regan is absent, you exercise with this rabbit. This rabbit, they will be teaching you on how to run even, and other tricks, isn't it? So when you are free, after doing your assignment, after performing your house chores, and at your free time, you take out your rabbit and you do some exercise with them. You jump with your rabbit. You play the rabbit or chango. You chase your rabbit. You do what? You chase your rabbit. It will also hide and you look for it, isn't it? They feel good when you do what? When you play with them. They feel good when you do what? When you play with them. Now, rabbits are meant to be active creatures. They are meant to be active creatures. Generally, rabbits are meant to be active creatures, not dull creatures. Not dull creatures. And remember, if we are keeping these rabbits as our pets, a pet is something which will make you happy, isn't it? So these rabbits, they should make us happy, isn't it? And how can they make us happy? They can make us happy by us making them what? Happy. Rabbits can make us happy by us making them what? Happy. Tunaona Lucy? Yeah, rabbits, they can make us become active by us making them active. By us making them active. Tuko pamoja? Another point is that running and hopping about are some of the exercises that can make this rabbit to keep it active and happy. Tuko pamoja? Running, do you know hopping? Hopping is a way in which a rabbit walks. A rabbit does not walk like a human being. It jumps, isn't it? So the way it jumps, we call it hopping. We call it like this one. They don't run like this. They jump like this, isn't it? So that is what we call hopping. That is what we call. That is one way in which our rabbits will feel more. They will become more active. More active. Tuko pamoja? Now they also need at least 3 hours of free range time per day for exercise. How many hours per day?
3 hours.
At least 3 hours of free range. 3 hours. We just take them here, we remove them from the hutch, we bring them an area like this one, and leave them there to jump up and down, to hop up and down, to run as they play themselves. The same way children play together. The same way children play together. So these rabbits, they also need time for that. Tunaona class. Unaweka pale pia tunaruka, tunanyosha nini? Mifupa to strengthen and to straighten their body. Is it? Yeah, to make them physically fit. To make them physically fit. Now, up to there, we end up our lesson for today. We have looked at method number 1 on how we can practice proper rabbit care. On how we can practice proper rabbit care. So for today, our lesson will end there. But next time, we'll be looking on how ways of protecting our rabbit. The ways of protecting your rabbit outdoors. When we are playing with these rabbits, how can we protect them? Because remember, we have other predators outside there, isn't it? Robert, are you getting this? We have other predators. What are predators? These are animals which can feed on these rabbits, isn't it? Animals like which one? Animals like cats, dogs, and other harmful animals. Those are what we call predators, isn't it? So when our rabbits are outside, how can we protect them? So that one will be our next environmental class. But for today, our lesson ends there, and I will request you to stand up and sing our national, our class. We will sing it down there after watching this thing. So I would like us to go slowly by slowly where we have our rabbits, and then see if these things are happening, and then we'll see.